welcome back to the channel. We are here in Anaheim ready for the UFC 298. This is Hector. He's come all the way from Spain to see his boy get beat. By Volk.
Well, the other way around, I guess.
Anyway guys, we're going to try and get to the weigh-in. We don't know if we're going to get in or not. It says doors open at 3:30, so we're going to just turn up and see if we can get in. It'd be great to get to the weigh-in. If not, we've got the fight tomorrow. We're just going to have some fun in Anaheim. We came to find the queue, and apparently it's a little bit longer than we thought. Right, okay, so we are stood in the queue. It's, what is it?
It is 3 o'clock.
We've got half an hour until the doors open. So this is the reality of waiting in the queue.
Come to LA, they said.
Okay guys, so we've just done the weigh-in. My predictions to start with have kind of changed. I'm thinking Volkanovski's got this, he's going to think differently. But yeah, we got into the weigh-ins, which was a really cool experience. Ella had tahini.
I got my own. No, you were clean.
They had the tahini.
Ella, woo!
That's fine. But we're going to head back, we're going to go out, but we're ready for tomorrow and ready for a Volk victory, I think.
Yeah, let's do it! Woo!
Topuria, first round.
We'll see. Right, okay, so we've got these two who are staying here. We've got us guys who are going to the UFC.
That's the anthem.
What, for Spain?
The Spanish anthem. There you go.
Oh, we're filming me now. I'm just drinking, to be honest with you. I'm just looking forward to seeing some blood, seeing some...
Show us some skills. How to finish a Corona. Oh. There you go. You see?
There wasn't much left, to be fair. Right,
No, you're looking.
let's go fight night. So we're watching the early prelims because I'm not spending like yesterday. How much was the drinks yesterday?
What, $20 for a beer?
Yeah, so we're going to drink our beers and drinks and watch the early prelims.
You mentioned that mission that we got. I need to smuggle the Spanish flag inside the stadium because it's not allowed.
Yeah.
Yesterday they took it off me, but today I'm back.
Right, so this is a good chance this is going to be the last you hear from us because it's going to be very loud, YouTube music reasons, and we're going to go and have a drink.
And guess what? I got the flag in.
Right.
Well, I guess you know who was right. Lights out.
And I was wrong. But it was a great fight. We had a great night. Guys, that was UFC 298. 300 got announced as well. I'm not going to be going to 300 because I'm not a millionaire. But we've had a great time. It was great to have Hector with us over here in California. Guys, if you have enjoyed this video, it's very different to anything I usually do. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the big like button. And I'll see you next time.